Hi, Billy Mays here to share with you the most important product I have ever endorsed.
The barbecue.
A man in an apron. A man in an apron.
But today I'm here as a tool of Global Tool Corp. You know, installing your own barbecue pit is harder than adding an aviary or Olympic-sized swimming sauce. In fact, it's a snap. It's a snap. It's a snap. You're not into chicken?
What's wrong with you?
No, I'm into chicken.
How about wild boar? Or swordfish? Or hippo? Or wild sword boar?
Hippo. Wow.
You're not into chicken?
No, I'm into chicken.
Light-hearted apron included. Not snapping fingers may not make light-hearted apron appear. Food.
How about it, How about it, Bart? Would you like a new backyard
Barbecue pit? Can I burn in it?
We can all burn in it. There, that wasn't so hard, was it, honey?
Dad, I really need to rest my back.
Okay, sweetie. Daddy'll take over. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah!
That's a fine looking... Stop! What? Stop! Okay, no big deal. Stupid sauce! You gotta build fast. Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Cement drawing! Alright, let's see. Yes. English side ruined. Must use French instructions. French side ruined. Must use German instructions. German side ruined. Must use English instructions. Le grill? What the hell is that? Oh, come on, fit. Come on, fit. You. Yeah, that's one fine-looking barbecue.
Bacon cheddar!
Why doesn't mine look like that? That's one fine-looking That's one fine-looking barbecue pit. Why does mine look like that? That's one fine-looking barbecue pit. Why doesn't mine look like that?
Machine pushes forward.
How's your father's project coming along? I think he's almost done. Yeah, he's done.